The Blütezeit 1400lb solar sliding gate opener is equipped with a robust 280-watt motor, making it capable of moving heavy gates smoothly and securely. Its solar-powered efficiency, complemented by a backup battery, ensures that the gate opener remains operational during power outages, providing cost-effective and eco-friendly use. With the Wi-Fi-enabled remote access, you can control the gate opener from anywhere using your smartphone, adding a layer of convenience and security. The automatic closing feature, combined with an LED status indicator, ensures that your gate is always closed securely and you are informed of its status at a glance. Installation is made simple with the all-in-one kit, which includes everything needed for a hassle-free setup and expert support for any assistance required. The Blütezeit gate opener is designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, operating reliably between -13 degrees Fahrenheit and 131 degrees Fahrenheit.